Exploring Vienna's historic palaces, a royal adventure. Introduction to Vienna. Vienna, the capital of Austria, is often regarded as one of Europe's most culturally rich cities. Renowned for its imperial history, artistic legacy, and musical heritage, Vienna seamlessly blends its historical charm with modern vibrancy. Located on the banks of the Danube River, the city has been a significant hub for politics, culture, and art throughout history. This narrative explores Vienna's various facets, dividing its story into distinct sections to provide a comprehensive overview. Historical significance. Origins and early history. Vienna's history dates back to Roman times when it was known as Vindobona, a military settlement. Strategically positioned along the Danube, Vindobona played a crucial role in the Roman Empire's defense system. The remnants of this Roman legacy can still be found in parts of the city, particularly in the area around Michlerplatz, where archaeological excavations have uncovered ancient ruins. During the Middle Ages, Vienna emerged as a vital trading post and a cultural crossroads. The city's strategic location facilitated interactions between Western Europe and the Byzantine Empire, contributing to its growth and prosperity. By the 12th century, Vienna had established itself as a thriving medieval city, marked by the construction of fortifications and the development of its iconic city center. The Habsburg era. The Habsburg dynasty ruled Vienna for centuries, shaping the city into a political and cultural powerhouse. Under their reign, Vienna became the capital of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, a multi-ethnic and multilingual entity that spanned much of Central and Eastern Europe. One of the defining aspects of the Habsburg era was the construction of grand architectural marvels. The Hofburg Palace, initially a modest medieval fortress, evolved into a sprawling complex symbolizing imperial power. Schönbrunn Palace, another Habsburg gem, served as the summer residence and stands today as a testament to Baroque grandeur. The Habsburgs were also great patrons of the arts. Vienna flourished as a cultural hub, attracting composers, artists, and intellectuals from across Europe. The city became synonymous with classical music, with luminaries like Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Ludwig van Beethoven, and Franz Schubert gracing its concert halls. Modern transformation. The 19th and 20th centuries brought significant changes to Vienna. The fall of the Austro-Hungarian Empire following World War I marked the end of the monarchy. Despite the upheaval, Vienna retained its cultural prominence, becoming a republic's capital. The interwar period saw the rise of Red Vienna, a time of progressive social reforms and architectural innovation. World War II left its mark on Vienna, with parts of the city suffering heavy damage. However, post-war reconstruction efforts restored its historic landmarks and revitalized its infrastructure. Today, Vienna is a thriving metropolis celebrated for its high quality of life, cultural richness, and dedication to preserving its heritage. Architecture and landmarks. The Historic Center. The Historic Center of Vienna, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a treasure trove of architectural marvels. Its narrow cobblestone streets, grand squares, and impressive buildings reflect centuries of history. St. Stephen's Cathedral. A Gothic masterpiece, St. Stephen's Cathedral is one of Vienna's most iconic landmarks. Its towering spire and intricately tiled roof are a testament to the city's architectural prowess. The cathedral's interior is equally awe-inspiring, featuring ornate altars, stained glass windows, and a crypt housing the remains of Habsburg royalty. The Hofburg Palace. The Hofburg Palace complex is a microcosm of Vienna's imperial history. It houses the Austrian National Library, the Imperial Treasury, and the Sisi Museum, dedicated to the life of Empress Elizabeth. Visitors can explore opulent staterooms, ceremonial halls, and the famed Spanish riding school, where Lipizzaner horses perform classical dressage. Karlskirche. An exquisite example of Baroque architecture, Karlskirche, St. Charles's Church, is renowned for its imposing dome and elegant columns. The church's interior boasts stunning frescoes and a panoramic view from its cupola. Ringstrasse Boulevard. The Ringstrasse, a grand 19th-century boulevard, encircles Vienna's inner city. Its construction marked a significant urban development, replacing the city's medieval walls with a showcase of architectural brilliance. Notable landmarks along the Ringstrasse include Vienna State Opera, an iconic venue for opera and ballet performances. The State Opera is a cultural cornerstone. Parliament Building, inspired by ancient Greek architecture, the Parliament Building features a majestic facade and a grand statue of Pallas Athena. Vienna City Hall, a neo-Gothic masterpiece, the City Hall serves as the seat of municipal government and hosts various cultural events, including the popular Christmas market. Schönbrunn Palace. Schönbrunn Palace is a symbol of imperial splendor and one of Vienna's most visited attractions. Its 1,441 rooms showcase the opulent lifestyle of the Habsburgs, while the sprawling gardens, complete with fountains, statues, and a gloriette, offer a picturesque retreat. The palace also houses the world's oldest zoo, Tiergarten Schönbrunn, established in 1752.
Cultural landscape.
Music and performing arts. Vienna's musical legacy is unrivaled. As the city of music, it has nurtured some of the greatest composers in history. The Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra and the Vienna Boys Choir are world-renowned, and the city's concert halls, such as the Musikverein, are revered for their acoustics. The Vienna State Opera is a focal point for classical music enthusiasts, offering a repertoire that spans centuries. Additionally, the city hosts numerous music festivals, including the Vienna Jazz Festival and the Donauinselfest, Europe's largest free open-air music festival. Museums and galleries. Vienna's rich cultural heritage is preserved in its many museums and galleries. Highlights include the Belvedere, a Baroque palace complex housing an impressive collection of Austrian art, including Gustav Klimt's iconic painting, The Kiss. Albertina Museum, known for its extensive graphic art collection, featuring works by Albrecht Dürer, Michelangelo, and Pablo Picasso. Kunsthistorisches Museum, one of the world's foremost art museums, it boasts masterpieces by artists like Caravaggio, Velázquez, and Bruegel the Elder. Museumsquartier, a vibrant cultural complex that combines historic and modern architecture, hosting contemporary art exhibitions and creative spaces. Festivals and events. Vienna's cultural calendar is brimming with events that celebrate its artistic and historical heritage. Highlights include Vienna Festival, a celebration of theater, music, and dance. New Year's Concert, performed by the Vienna Philharmonic, it's a globally broadcast tradition. Viennese Ball Season, featuring elegant dances held in grand venues like the Hofburg Palace. Culinary delights. Vienna's culinary scene reflects its multicultural influences and traditional Austrian flavors. The city is famous for its coffee house culture, recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. Viennese coffee houses, iconic establishments like Café Central and Demel serve as gathering places for intellectuals and artists. Classic offerings include Wiener Melange, Sachertorte, and Apfelstrudel. Signature dishes: Wiener Schnitzel, a breaded and fried veal or pork cutlet, and Tafelspitz, boiled beef served with horseradish, are quintessential Viennese dishes. Naschmarkt. Vienna's most famous market offers a vibrant array of fresh produce, spices, and international delicacies. Natural beauty and green spaces. Vienna's commitment to green spaces contributes to its reputation as one of the world's most livable cities. The city boasts numerous parks, gardens, and recreational areas. Vienna Woods, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, the Vienna Woods provide a tranquil escape with hiking trails and picturesque landscapes. Prater Park, home to the iconic giant Ferris wheel, Prater Park is a beloved destination for families and thrill seekers. Danube Island, a 21-kilometer-long island offering beaches, biking paths, and water sports. Conclusion. Vienna is a city where history and modernity coexist harmoniously. From its imperial landmarks and vibrant cultural scene to its culinary delights and lush greenery, Vienna offers a unique experience that captivates all who visit. Whether you're drawn to its historic grandeur or contemporary charm, Vienna's story is one of timeless allure. Its rich heritage, combined with its forward-thinking approach, ensures that Vienna will remain a beacon of culture and innovation for generations to come.